Welcome to my channel. Why is my printer making loud noise? Step 1. Turn off the printer. If your printer suddenly starts making loud grinding, clicking, or rattling noises, turn it off immediately. This can prevent damage to internal parts before you begin checking the printer. Step 2. Check for a paper jam. Open the front and rear covers and carefully inspect the paper path. Remove any jammed or torn pieces of paper, as even a small scrap can cause loud noises while printing. Step 3. Look for objects inside. Sometimes paper clips, labels, or other small objects fall inside the printer. Remove anything that doesn't belong, as these items can interfere with moving parts. Step 4. Inspect the ink or toner cartridge. Take out the ink or toner cartridge and reinstall it correctly. A loose or improperly installed cartridge can create clicking or knocking sounds during printing. Step 5. Clean the paper rollers. Dust and paper debris can make the rollers noisy. Gently clean the rollers with a soft, lint-free cloth and let them dry completely before using the printer again. Step 6. Load paper the right way. Make sure the paper stack is straight and does not exceed the maximum fill line. Fan the paper before loading to prevent multiple sheets from feeding at once. Step 7. Place the printer on a stable surface. A printer placed on an uneven or shaky desk can vibrate loudly during operation. Move it to a flat, solid surface to reduce unnecessary noise. Step 8. Restart the printer. Turn the printer off, unplug the power cable for about 1 minute, and then plug it back in. Restarting the printer can clear temporary hardware errors that may be causing the noise. Step 9. Update the printer firmware. Visit the printer manufacturer's website and install the latest firmware if available. Firmware updates can fix performance issues and improve how the printer operates. Thank you for watching.